What's going on, beautiful people? Oh my goodness, it's been a while. I miss you guys so much, and I just wanted to come on real quick. By the way, this is Cora with Zaza Academy. We're super excited for what's to come. We just want to take a moment right now and just break down the charts and see what the market is looking like this week. The pair of choices, DJ. I got that request from one of my trading students, and I want to just use that opportunity right now to just break it down to everybody real time. So let's get right to it. So DJ, as you can see, is an overall bullish market. Okay. This was a markup that I sent to my class, my group chat not too long ago. Let me see if I could share my screen with that. I don't think you can see it. I don't think you can see it, but let's say you do. That's awesome. And let's say you don't. It is all good. Yeah, so it looks overall bullish, as you can see. Where's my arrow? Okay, so as you can see, right, it's an overall bullish market. Overall bullish market, as you can see, right? So we know that yes, it's an overall bullish market. So we're not surprised that right now, and just ignore the lines as well on the sides, guys. Those are my key points that I look for in the market sometimes on certain pairs like GJ. I don't have it on all of my other pairs, but some pairs like DJ, I have them on just to know what key levels we are approaching or we are currently. So right now we are at a major LQP of 18 of 180. So that's a solid zone that we can see right there, a solid demand zone that we see right there for the market right now. And right before that zone was a liquidity right here that hasn't been grabbed yet, so it has a potential of coming lower, just a matter of when. So right now, due to the fact that it's on this current support zone right here, we also see that previously in the past it had um, a supply area over here to the left of 186. Okay, so if we can see, let me see if I could draw. All right, so we have a supply right there. Okay, and price recently came to that same area, pushed a little bit, and came and closed right below, pushed up a little bit again, and closed below again. So it's a pretty interesting zone over there, and we're not going to be surprised to see certain types of friction sometime this week around this zone. Okay, and this is a daily time frame, by the way. So, but for those individuals who want to be able to trade short term regardless of if it's going lower or higher, all we have to do is just go lower in time frames to see what more we can find. So when we go down to the 4 hour time frame, guys, we can see right here. I drew this earlier, but this is why I drew it. Okay, I drew because as you can see, price came this low, right? It gave us a lower high and then give us a higher low. And ever since that higher low, it's been giving us another higher low and give us a higher high over here to give us the higher low. So that means there is a zone right here that has been formed. And I have different colors for different time frames. Okay, so this is the 4 hour time frame right now that we're on. Okay, so we can see right here, price just now broke above that zone. And this was last week. Okay, so if we go lower, but before we go lower, if we look up here, guys, we can also see a support zone, which is a demand area that turned to supply some more lower and hasn't been tested yet. Okay, so and if you look in the past, that's also an area that was once uh, bearish engulfing. Okay, so right now we have this whole area that price still has to make some kind of friction. That's 332 pips, 323 pips, sorry, 323 pips. Okay. So this is a lower time frame. So it's still going lower just to see what price is still looking like. So right now, as we can see, I'm actually going to delete this. Actually, no, I'm not going to delete it. I'm just going to make it visible for 1 hour for the daily time frame. Turn all that off. Turn all that off. Okay, cool. All right. So right now, as you can see, we're on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and as you can see, right, this is a zone that was drawn in a 4 hour time frame. For precision purposes, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so that way I can get my magnetic tool and put it right there. And that was the highest moment right there. Okay, so that was the highest body and that was the highest wick from previous. Okay, so now we know that that's a zone that has to be tested in the future. So right now on the 1 hour time frame, okay, structure wise, we see this is from wick to wick. Okay, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Right, wick to wick. Just looking at it from wick to wick, highest, lowest, highest, lowest, highest, lowest. Okay, so wick to wick, we see that price went from this low to this high, and we trace back to the 61% and went a little bit higher, except that it hasn't gotten to a strong level yet. Okay, for us, it's still playing around. However, what it did do was come and body wise. So this is wick right away, but body wise, we have a support area right here. Okay, so I know it's getting a little bit interesting. That's where you can schedule one-on-ones. I'll put our Instagram on here so that we can check us out. Okay, so that's my 1 hour time frame color. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have a support, and now it's another support right here. So I'm not surprised that price is having this run at this moment. So structure wise, we know that we are we are at a higher low that is here to give us a strong push up. And these are all levels that price can get to as levels to take profit. Take profit just means, if you're an intraday trader, you can leverage these levels. Um, but this is all potentials, guys. Remember, we are not financial advisors. We are not here to tell you what to do. We're just here providing our perspective and just educating and having fun while doing it. Okay. So this is fun for us. Okay. This is not us telling you what to do or advising you how to move with your finances. It's just having fun in the market and analyzing something that we learned how to do. Okay. So if price was to continue going bullish, which it has for the past days and weeks and hours, we're looking for it to keep going bullish. So I would say right now on the higher time, because we have this low and this high, if price does anything interesting, it could just continue to go bullish. Or if it's not ready to go bullish, price can retrace to go bearish. So this is just an overall perspective. Like I said, guys, this is not for us to um this is just for us to just educate and have fun. Thank y'all so much for checking in, man. I just wanted to make sure that you guys come in here and get some education and have fun while doing it. But you guys have a blessed and phenomenal trading week. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Our Instagram is all right. Boom. All righty. Thank y'all so much.